Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word jealousy. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She couldn't help but feel jealousy when she saw her ex-boyfriend with his new girlfriend. Jealousy is a complex emotion characterized by feelings of envy, insecurity, and resentment towards someone perceived as a rival or threat to a relationship or desired outcome. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.